This is Jean Pfeiffer. I'm an architect in New York City and author of the book Public Art New York. Charging Bull was designed by Arturo di Modica in 1989. It remains in the collection of the artist, but it's installed on property of New York City. Located just north of Bowling Green, it is a 7,000-pound bronze statue of a charging bull, embodying the up or bull side of the bull and bear sobriquets for surging and receding markets. Representing the fierce and volatile spirit of Wall Street, the muscular bull paws the ground and seems to snort, exuding raw strength and brute energy. The statue was first installed surreptitiously by the artist in front of the stock exchange on Wall Street in 1989. The city's Department of Parks and Recreation then moved it to this site on a temporary basis. Although neither location was ever formally approved by the city's art commission, the statue has become a popular tourist destination. Given its placement on a triangle at the foot of Broadway, it has received a degree of exposure unprecedented for a road work of art.